The wonders of life on our planet are supported by tiny allies. Microbes, the smallest life forms on Earth, play a crucial role in keeping all life in balance. Worldwide, scientists are studying microbes. With microscopy tools, they can visualize the microverse that the general public cannot usually see. Until now. Based in the University of Jena, the Cluster of Excellence Balance of the Microverse, along with other partners, has produced a unique film for planetariums and science centers worldwide. The full-dome film Into the Microverse brings the world of microbes to life, introducing audiences of all ages to this exciting area of scientific study.
Hey, you must be my partner.
Yes.
Follow the adventures of robotic microscopy drones Carla and Carla as they uncover the secrets of microbes found in animals, plants, humans, soil, sea, and air. Experience a wondrous world invisible to the naked eye. And join Carla and Carla as they explore the many ways in which microbes affect and support sustainable life on Earth. Step into the microverse in a planetarium near you and see the tiny creatures which help keep all life in balance.